Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's problem count frequency of element in an array. Will go from brute force approach to the optimal one and understand the time complexity and space complexity of each one. So let's take an example. We have here an array. Now each element will count how many times it's appear using nested loops. For an example, 1 it's appear one time, 4 twice, 2 is appear 3 times and 3 is appear 2 times in this array. So we have to print. How we can print? So for that we will run a loop first. Let I equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. Now we need a variable count where we'll store each count frequency, and another one nested loop. Let j equal to 0, j less than array dot length j plus plus. So this j loop will be every time it will count. For an example, first time we will select 1 like this. If array of I now is 1, if array of I is equal to array of j, so now array of j is 1 also. If both are same, that means what we have to do, we have to do count plus plus. That means now our count is 1. Now this j will pointing to 1. J indicate will be 1 index, so 1 index will be 4. So whether 1 and 4 is equal, no, then again it will be increased. Whether 1 and 2 is equal, no. Whether 1 and 3 is equal, no. Whether 1 and 2, like this will so on to till 3. If anywhere 1 is there, so it will count, or else it will not count. That's it. After that, once one loop will be finished for j, it again our I will be incremented. Now our I will be pointed to 4. So after that same thing will happen. J will be pointing to 0. So again same thing. J, whether 4 equal to 1, no. 4 equal to 4, yes. 4 equal to 2, no. Like these things it will go on to till end of the loop. After that, if you try to console, you will get your count. Let's console here and run it. See here, 1 it's appear 1 time, 4 appear 2 times, 2 appear 3 times, 3 appear 2 times. But this is not basically efficient, and if you carefully observe, it was repeated also. And here what time we are using O of n square, because we are using nested loop. So like this is, so what is the better solution for this? So better solution we can do using O of n time. How? Let's do it. Instead of checking each element in a nested loop, we will store in a frequency array. Let frequency equal to, this object will be store each frequency, what is already is there or what is not. So after that we'll run a for of loop for let num of array and frequency of number equal to. So now what we have to do after that, we will check whether the current frequency is already there in our frequency object. So we will get it, how much value it was there. If it is there, means just get the value, otherwise just put 0 because it is not there. After that we have to plus 1. Even if it is there, then also plus 1. If it is not there, then it will be created as a new value, new key. That's it. After that, if you console.log frequency, so you will get the frequency of each value. 1 it is appear 1 time, 2 3 times, 3 2 times, 4 2 times. And now this is much efficient than the earlier. We are using O of n time, and space we are using O of n time. That is the thing. So now can you write a much more cleaner way and optimal way? Yeah, another option was also there, using map. Instead of storing in the frequency object, we will use here map. Const map equal to new map, and same thing for let num of array, and first we'll set map dot set as a num keyword. The current will be as a key, and we'll try to get map dot get. If it is there already, then it will get, or else as same thing we have already discussed, 0. If it is not there means 0. So plus 1. After that, if you try to console your map, console.log map, first we'll clear the output and let's run again. Yeah, you can see here our map was returned 1 time appeared, 4 2 times, 2 3 times, and 3 is 2 times. So now we got a modern solution and scalable solution. Although it was also taking big of n, but it is much more cleaner and much more modern way. So if this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe, and continue learning with our DSA in JavaScript series.